these controls, the elevator and ailerons, and see how they move to make the plane move the way you want it to, and see how it's just like operating the radio controlled transmitter. You have little rudder pedals in the bottom here, operate the rudder back there, and a little throttle lever to regulate the power on the motor. So it looks like all we have to do now is take it out for a test flight.
Unless you're going to jump in that plane yourself, you may need your transmitter.
Oh yeah, I must have left it in my truck here. Here, let's take a time out.
No. Get out. Out. Hey, Ron! Ron, the squirrel's in the plane.
What?
The squirrel, it's taken off in the plane.
Hey! Going down. Oh, we had a lucky landing. I think everything's okay. Squirrels.
I think it's laughing at you.